Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you how to recalibrate your Soko Gauge. It already comes calibrated to you, but some of you might want to know how to recalibrate it. The best thing is, you don't have to send it to us, you can do it yourself. All you need is a stable and already horizontal surface. Our surface here is in horizontal spirit bubble level. First thing you have to do is to remove the battery cover. Press and hold the on 0 button and replace the battery cover. You see the whole display is lit up. Now release the button. You can see the number 1 on the display. Place the gauge on the surface. Now press once the on 0 button. It will flash a few times and change to number 2. Now the important step. Turn the gauge 180 degrees. Press the on 0 button again. And you're done. You can see it's now 0.0 degrees. And your Soko Gauge is now recalibrated. One last hint. If the display changes back to number 1, your surface is not horizontal.